Healthy bro presence. Essential skincare rules for dry skin. If you have dry skin, you probably are aware of how to deal with all the problems that come with it, such as flakes, dullness, dry spots, and that awful tight, itchy feeling. When you have dry skin, moisturizing should be your bare minimum. The remainder of your regimen should be tailored to your skin type to help it feel and stay hydrated. 1. Use a mild cleanser. Since some face cleansers can be harsh and drying, it's crucial to choose one that is made specifically for your skin type. If you have dry skin, at the end of the day, choose a cream cleanser that will remove makeup, excess oil, and grime gently without dehydrating or tightening your skin. 2. Use hyaluronic acid serum. The cure-all for dry skin is hyaluronic acid. It is very mild and aids in drawing and retaining moisture in the skin. To get and keep as much moisture as possible, make sure your daily moisturizer is combined with the hyaluronic acid serum in your skincare regimen. After cleaning and moisturizing your skin, apply this to seal everything in. 3. Apply facial oil after moisturizer. Apply a few drops of face oil after applying moisturizer if you have very dry skin, or if you just like your complexion to look really radiant. In addition to helping to relieve the tight, itchy feeling that people with dry skin occasionally experience, the oil will aid in sealing in the moisturizing components of your moisturizer. 4. Don't be afraid to exfoliate. Using exfoliating creams is typically frowned upon by those with dry skin, who worry that it would exacerbate their issue. When exfoliation is neglected in your skincare regimen, dead skin cells can accumulate on the skin surface, giving the appearance of flaky, lifeless skin that could potentially result in blocked pores. Selecting a mild exfoliating product is what you should do instead. 5. Never skip sunscreen. While not specifically related to dry skin, this rule is nevertheless important to remember. Regardless of your skin type, you must take sun protection seriously. Every day, you should put on a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. 6. Employ hydrating formulas for makeup. Dryness can be accentuated and made worse by ultra-matte makeup. If you have dry skin, go for makeup products that help to moisturize your skin. 7. Apply your moisturizer on damp face. Refrain from toweling off right away after washing your face or getting out of the shower. After cleansing, while your skin is still damp, is the ideal time to apply moisturizer. Applying skincare products on wet skin facilitates improved absorption of moisturizing substances into the skin's surface. Dry skin can lead to flaking, dullness, dry spots, and awful itchy, tight feeling. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.